Okay, so I just posted up something for you guys. I asked you guys to help out with helping people who are struggling. And so here I am. I just dropped off a big load of clothes, purses, um, uh, lotions, this, that, and the other. And so what I did was I asked them, I said, what else do you guys need? Because when I dropped it off, there were still people coming in who were still trying to pick stuff up, right? So I asked them, I said, hey, what is it that y'all still need? And so they said, oh, they listen to me. They said when I got there, they said, well, I was literally just dropping stuff off, waiting because there was a line of people. And so I overheard them say, hey, they was denying some people help because they said, we don't have no more toothbrushes, we don't have no more this and that. And I had literally just walked up and said, hey, I got a bunch of that in the car. I've just bought brand new toothbrushes, there's purses, there's clothes, there's shoes. My wife had donated tons of brand new purses, shoes, clothes, this, that, and the other. And then we had mouthwashes and this and that. And they was like, oh my God, you came right on time, because they were turning people away, right? So then I asked them, what else do you need? So they gave me a list. And here's what I'm asking you guys to do. You don't have to have a lot of money. You don't have to spend a lot of money. But here's my cart. See, here's the cart. See if y'all can see that. Okay. So this cart, see if you can see it. See, this cart is full to the brim of different things, and I'll probably have to go get some more. But it's probably, I bought every lotion they had, tampon stuff. Sorry, I'm sorry, this ain't the best video, but just women need this. So this is for the homeless, for the women's shelter today. And so they said, hey, we need some lotions. We out of lotion, we out of toothbrushes, we out of shampoos and stuff like that. So guys, look, just stop at your local dollar store. You don't have to be rich. Okay, if you are, okay, buy like I'm doing. I'm buying a couple of $100 at the dollar store. A couple of $100 will go a long way at the dollar store, right? So I got at least 50 different toothbrushes. I got at least 50 different or 100 lotions, and I bought, them individual toothbrushes where you can put them in the case. I bought every one they have, and so it's all in here. So what I'm saying, I need you guys to help people this weekend. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's help people and watch how God will bless you, okay? Just run to your local dollar store, buy a bunch of stuff, and then let's take it on, okay? All right? Give me a thumbs up if you can do that for me. Can y'all do that for me? Just go to your local dollar store. Or as I requested, if you've seen the video I posted earlier, I asked you guys to be able, and let me show y'all something. Hold on. Follow me on outside. Let me show y'all something. See, people standing by my car right now as we speak. Okay. So, see, it's cool that I can drive a car like that. You know what I mean? It's cool that, I'm sorry, I'm filming something. So this is cool. I can drive something nice like this, right? That's all good. But being successful doesn't mean driving fancy cars and showing off to others. Success means that you go in there and go help other people who need help. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's nice. That's one of my cars. Okay, that's cool. But what am I going to do to help other people who's struggling? And so if you want to see what success look like, it's to the point where you don't need your date. In other words, success is I have everything I need. So now let me go help other people who have a need. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? So if you like what I'm doing, if you think my videos are helping you and this and that, I'm asking you to help, okay? Because I'm finna go back in the store and I'm finna load this little car up and pop this trunk and take some more stuff down to the women's shelter. Last time it was the men's shelter, today it's the women's shelter. See, success is something you do behind the scenes to people who really appreciate it. It ain't about driving fancy cars and trying to be bougie in front of people who really didn't like you anyway. Because no matter what you do, certain people just not gonna like you. And the more successful God blesses you, they're going to hate on you, call you names, call you scammers, call you all this kind of stuff. But to the people you're out there helping, so to the people you out there helping, these people don't give a flying fart about what car you drive and this and that. They don't care. They just need help. You understand what I'm saying? So if y'all can do that for me, I really would appreciate it. Let's do it as a group. As I requested, go to your local dollar store, buy what you can, and then drop it off to a homeless shelter. Or if you got a lot of extra clothes, shoes, whatever at your house, bag that up, you know what I mean? And let's just go help out in different places. So I'm finna get on back in here and buy this stuff up, and I'll holler at y'all on Sunday during my live video. All right, peace and hair grease, and I love y'all. Bye.